Morning, folks. Mark here from my Backwood Adventures again. Another beautiful morning here on the sawmill. It's -3, I guess it was this morning, here in Southwest Nova Scotia, 3 degrees Celsius, I guess. So yesterday I had issues with my my tracking was inconsistent on the follower. So you didn't see that video, and probably a good video to watch. Might be, I don't think it's a common problem, but it's a problem out there, I think. It all boiled down to that neoprene belt that kind of wasn't installed properly, I guess, and the original one or the old one kind of conformed itself to cause some issues, I guess. So anyhow, once I got it seated in there properly, it seems to be cutting fairly decent, because I cut a couple logs yesterday just to try it out, and then once I was done, I checked the tracking and the blade was out a bit. I had to bring it back in, but it was pretty consistent, so I think we got it under control. It was cutting I couldn't ask for a straighter cut. It was cutting as straight as could be. Got a few 2x6s and a few boards. So this morning I'm going to be milling some pine. I had some pine there that's got to be milled up. Cutting some 6x whatever cants, because I'm going to I do have the lap siding attachment. I want some 6-inch lap siding, but I don't have it installed on the mill yet, so I got to do that once I move the mill over to its new location, once I build that. So another project, too many on the go at the cabin. And yeah, I want to build a little workshop here too as well, get my woodworking tools out of the garage so we can park our vehicles in there. So it's always something. And then I've got those logs I got to mill for my friend up the road here. So anyhow, enough gabbing, and let's see how she cuts this morning. Well, folks, she's cutting pretty good, actually. Nice straight boards. This is pine, mind you. This is fairly soft and wet wood. I'm not using any lubrication this morning. It's old pine I cut last winter, and it's time to be cut. But anyhow, I'm happy with the mill. I'm going to check the tracking here once I get this lumber cleared away. But as you can see, you know, she's cutting pretty darn straight. I'm happy with that. Now, whether that was my problem or not, I'm kind of hoping. That's some nice. Got some 3/4 inch boards, which is actually 5/8 because I'm cutting on my yellow scale here. I've got that 3/4 inch stuff, or 5/8. I'm going to plane it down. That's boarding in at the cabin walls, and then I got some 1-inch boards, or 7/8, I guess, and then my 6-inch cant to make some lap siding. And I got 3 more logs there to mill. So I'm gonna clear this stuff away, and then we'll have a look at the tracking, see how that looks after this log, and then we'll adjust if required, and then we'll keep on milling. Okay, folks, here we go. Let's check this tracking. Haven't looked at it yet, so we'll look at it together here and see what it looks like. Hopefully we're okay, or maybe some minor adjustments, but hopefully it's tracking more consistent, the same. Yeah. Oh, I gotta grab my glove here, and then where are my gloves? Oh, right here, right in front of me. Huh. Silly me. Okay. Now, let's give this a whirl. Oh, yes. She's going in a bit, and she's out a bit. She's still not 100%, but it's not as bad as it was for sure. I think I'm going to order that new updated belt. Yeah, it's not going in a bit there. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of hard to tell on camera, but probably making you dizzy spinning this around. Making me dizzy. Anyhow, yeah, you can see it comes out a bit. You can see a little bit more of the gullet there, but then it goes in just a little bit there, but I think that's okay. That belt is, yeah, she's, tension got a little bit slacker on this belt, which is fine, which I was expecting. But yeah, that's that culprit right here. This guy right here, I think that's the issue. So anyhow, it's not going to stop me from milling. I'm going to keep on milling until it gets really bad, or if it gets worse or whatever. But I think we'll be okay. So anyhow, I'm going to continue on. I got another log loaded on the tractor there. So thanks for watching, folks. Those boring videos, just me milling. But anyhow, a little bit of technical stuff involved in this one, but or yesterday's video and then today's. But anyhow, hopefully nobody else is having this issue. But thanks for watching, and be kind, be safe, and we'll see you next time.